I have here a baby car camera. It's gonna be great to have in your car so you can see your kids in the back seat. So I'm gonna take it out, show you how it works and how easy it is to use. So it comes with everything you need to put together. So here is the camera that will go up front, has a mounting bracket here, comes with the cords, has two different ways you can plug it in, the cigarette lighter or just the USB right here, and the cord to connect it. And then here is the camera and straps. So I'm going to put the straps onto the camera behind the headrest and then mount that. So I got it mounted on the headrest. It has two straps, but one's fine for mine. There's also a strap you can go the other direction if you want it more secure. And then here's the camera. You can move it all over so you can make sure it is facing the right direction when you're using it. So this one also has a button on it, so you can toggle on or off depending if you want to use it. So if the car's on and you have no kids on, you can just turn it off so the screen's not on. So I got the camera hooked up. It has a nice suction cup. You can either put it on your dash or even put it up here on your window. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. Once you put it, it's going to be permanent. It is sticky once you take this thing off, but you can see it has a nice big screen right here. And then on the back here, there are some buttons to help you adjust it. The power, flip, up and down. And then this is the memory button. So it's going to toggle through a few different things. You've got brightness. And then if I go up or down, you can see it will help change the brightness. So if it's too dark in your car or too bright, you can change that really easily. And then you also have contrast, so you can change that really easily up or down. And then color, if you need to change the brightness of the color. And then the hue, you can change the hue. And then if you need to, you can also zoom. You can see, you can zoom in or zoom out really easily. And then there's just a few others. There's mirror. You can have mirror on or off, got English, and you can reset it. So it's super easy to adjust it. And also with flip, so if your camera is upside down, you don't have to worry about that. You can just easily just flip it on here as well. So it's really easy to adjust. And it has a really nice screen, and it's nice that you can change the hue or color or brightness. So it's going to be perfect for any car that you have. So to show you, I'm going to just drive into my garage, a darker location, and it's going to automatically turn into night vision for you so you can still see the baby or children at night. You can see it automatically changed for me, so I can still see my child when it's dark or at night. So this screen is 7.2 inches. It's a lot larger than other baby car cameras. It's nice and big, so it's going to be easy to see and easy to know what's going on with your children. You can see it has a nice clear screen, and it's nice. You can adjust it as well, so it can be that perfect lighting that you need for your car. So it also has a nice little lip around the top to help it when you're driving in the bright sun. It will still be able to see well. Kind of just will keep it protected and be able to not have any weird glare on it as you're driving. So this baby car camera is really nice, super easy to use, nice large screen, really easy to adjust it with the buttons on the back. So it will have the right brightness and color for your car. It's going to work on most vehicles. It's nice you have two different ways you can plug it in and use it. So this is going to be great for anybody that has young babies or young kids and want to still be able to see them in the back seat.